Greetings everyone, this is task 2.2 of SIT 210. The title of the project is Arduino Morse Code Blinking Tutorial. This project involves using an Arduino Nano to control an LED which will blink Morse code messages. When you press a push button, the Arduino will transmit your name in the Morse code by blinking the LED. It is one of the creative and a fun way to learn about Morse code and practice your Arduino skills. Prerequisites are: if you don't have an Arduino IDE, install one. You can do it from the official Arduino website. Second is the hardware requirements. First, you need a breadboard, few jumper wires, push button, LED, and a microcontroller. Over here, we are using Arduino Nano. Here you can see the setup of a hardware. We have installed a push button. There will be two pins, one for the ground, one for the digital. Next, we've installed an LED with a resistor, 330 ohms. And the last step is to install an Arduino Nano. One of the most important part of our project, I believe so, the code. So what we do, we begin by defining the pin number for the external LED and a button pin. These pins will be used for our project here. We also define the Morse code representation for our name as well as timing values for dot, dashes, symbol gaps and letter gaps. These values control how long the LED blink for each Morse code element. We set up the variables to track the state of the push button and handle the deep bouncing of the button. You can see it on this page. Button debouncing prevent false button presses caused by physical button bouncing. One of the important part of the code is the setup function. The setup function is executed once when the Arduino starts. It configures the LED pin as an output, the button pin as an input with an internal pull-up register, and also initializes our serial communication at a baud rate of 9600. Then we have our loop function. It is executed repeatedly. It reads the current state of the push button, implements button debouncing, and check if the button is pressed or no. If the button is pressed, it calls the blink Morse code function. The blink Morse code function is responsible for blinking the Morse code. It iterates through each character in the Morse code string. The string has been written at the start of the code. Blinking the LED for dot and dashes. It introduces gap between symbols and letter as well. So this is the end of our Arduino Morse code blinking tutorial. I hope you liked it.